It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.